Traditional shower systems can lead to dangerous limescale and bacterial growth. Limescale and bacteria buildup put patients at risk. Medi-Shower's innovative water flow design and color-coded inserts transform hygiene management. Medi-Shower's patented thin, tapered water channel prevents bacteria and biofilm formation, while replaceable color-coded inserts tackle limescale buildup, making maintenance quick and effortless. Multifunction shower heads are difficult to flush and clean in place. They are blocked easily and require manual cleaning. Their design allows for microbial growth, encourages calcium and lime accumulation, and holds water in pockets. The design allows for stagnant water, increasing odor and bacterial risk. Medi-Shower's design is easy to flush and clean in place, is anti-microbial, inhibits calcium and lime buildup, and features a smooth, tapered water channel with no pockets of stagnant water. For over a decade, Medi-Shower has been trusted across healthcare facilities in the USA, UK, and Ireland, delivering multi-award-winning innovation to improve hygiene standards. Upgrade your hygiene today. Visit fixturecare.com to learn more.